Yuk guys, sekarang gua akan main Mobile Legend. Iya, Mobile Legend. Gua ranked gua di Warrior 1 guys. Nggak bisa main game MOBA nih. Gua di Legend 1 aja. Gua tuh parah banget. Yes, yeah.
Zhao Dragonborn is here.
Ya gue pakai Zilong guys. Kali 63 gue kirim lah biar teman-teman gue pada tahu gue baru main ini. Yalah, kimer-kimer kebanyakan dari Jawa, dari Siko, dari Eten, dari Nia, Sadoe, yang dari Minang, dari Dukung loh. Yang nontonnya dari Jawa kan, ya ada pahala lah kan. Nasib kalau tinggal di Minang nih susah, sulit kita mau berkembang, jaringan aja susah sob. Ini cuma sekedar curhatan gua semata. Oh ada anjing di sini, gua anjing katanya, namanya Bimo Gantek. Yo guys, jangan lupa share video gue ya, like juga, komen nggak apa-apa, terserah kalian. Komen spam juga gue aktifin kok ya, komen aja banyak-banyak. Ini video gue nggak ngasilin uang juga sob, jadi share aja ya, nggak akan rugi kok.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Ya gue hapuskin dulu lah.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Ya gue beli
Smash
item
them.
jungle dulu.
All troops deployed. Request initiate retreat.
Orang pada di tengah, kita ikutan di tengah sob.
Your impudence will
Itu
not be
ceritanya.
tolerated.
Nggak bisa nongol.
Only the fearless will soar to the heavens.
Udah itu aja, kan gua ke bawah lagi. Hero double face. Dua. Iya,
Your impudence will not be
kita
tolerated.
curi minion aja dulu karena kini di sini kalau Zilong ini misinya ngancurin tower sama bunuh-bunuh orang bokok. Kita farming dulu guys, mau cari apa namanya, mau cari duit butuh monster utang. Farming jadi
Initiate retreat.
puter gue.
Your impudence will not be tolerated.
First blood.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Ya, kita attack aja towernya mumpung lagi pasrah ya, nggak ada yang jaga tower, jadi
Ally
kita
has
attack
been
aja.
slain.
Ya, kita mati dulu minion gue sob ya. Hero double face sudah keluar.
Impudence will not be tolerated.
Mari kita lari kencang-kencang bersama hero double face. Kaila yang di sini.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the
An
heavens.
ally has been slain.
Ini kena stun gua. Mati.
Your whole body
Mati.
is a weak spot. Heroes never
Iya, gua lari sob. Iya, gua lari. Hero double face. Di atas. Nah, kalau lu ke bawah, kita ke atas lagi. Tuh ada ya, pasti mati deh.
Ally has been slain.
Anjing. Woi, tolonglah sini. Cyber. Dah. Cyber. Saber sini, Saber. Saber. Ya, bagus. Hantam Saber. Bunuh Saber semuanya.
Only the
Walah,
fearless
mati Layla nih. Mundurlah dulu Layla. Saber
Ally
pergi
has been slain.
Saber farming.
It would take an army to stop me. Heroes never
An enemy has been slain.
Ngestun gua anjing. Untung aja gua hebat.
Killing spree. Enemy double kill.
Ya asis gua cuman. Udah gua cuci di toilet aja lah.
Your whole
Apa-apa lah.
body is a weak spot.
Initiate retreat.
Iya, serang lah di situ. Masa ya takut kali kalian
An
sama Alika
ally
tuh.
has been slain.
Nah, udah mati aja semuanya. Ya gua ngancurin tower. Tahan aja tower itu, nggak apa
Not be
mati.
tolerated.
Tapi towernya tahan. Itu yang penting. Tahan towernya.
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been
Lukat,
slain.
kita ke tengah lagi ya Lukat. Bantu kawan-kawan kita yang lagi di tengah.
Request backup.
Heroes never fade. It would take an army to stop me.
Bagus. Nggak juga mati anjing. Nggak mati juga.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Kasih di tower lagi. Dan jaga aja tengah. Biar gua yang nyuri-nyuri tower. Jaga aja tengah.
An ally has been slain.
Jaga aja tengah ya.
Your whole body.
Request backup.
Heroes never fade.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Gitu.
Only the fearless heart.
Asal kalian jaga di tengah, pancing aja dia, mereka biar ke tengah. Biar gua yang ngancurin tower.
Your incident will not be tolerated.
Ya mati kayaknya tuh.
Enemy killing.
Ya udah farming aja gua dulu. Jaga tengah. Jaga di tengah.
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Heroes never fade. It would take an army.
Request backup.
Yo, kita hancurin. Ke tengah lagi.
Request backup.
Ke atas ada carry di atas.
Enemy unstoppable.
Ke atas ada carry. Di atas ada carry.
Our turret is under attack.
Soar to the heavens.
Elah.
An ally has been slain. Shut down.
Mana gua lihat? Anjing kompaknya tim ini ya.
Heroes never
Our turret is under attack.
Iya.
not be tolerated.
Anjing, gua dikepung sendirian.
Our
Kompak tim
turret
kita.
has been destroyed.
Your whole body is
Payah, sulit.
Launch attack.
Tengok bodoh lah, cek. Cuman bawah tu tahan situ Saber.
not be tolerated.
Lukat lu mana mai iku aja baja.
You destroyed a turret.
Mati yang dekat.
Heroes never fade.
Mati be yang ada Julian yang. Mai iku aja baja dia.
An ally has been slain. Enemy rampage. You have slain an enemy. Enemy unstoppable. Shut down.
Ya, kita
Double
lari.
kill.
Kita pulang lagi sob, karena kita
ally
udah
has
double
been slain.
kill sob. Tengah mau hancur ya. Tim gua pada bego semua. Alucard pasti AFK nih.
It would take an army to stop me. Your whole body is a weak spot.
Farming dulu. Alucard nih ngapain?
Only the fearless heart can soar to the heavens. Heroes never
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Launch attack.
Attack, attack, attack. Attack,
Launch
attack.
attack.
It would take an army to stop me. Heroes never fade!
An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Alucard, AFK Alucard ya.
Your insolence cannot be tolerated.
Killing spree.
Your whole body is a weak spot. It would take an army to
An ally has been slain. Mega kill.
Your whole body is a heroes never fade!
You destroyed a turret. Mega kill. Our turret has been destroyed.
Aduh, mati
It would take
Alucard.
an army to stop me.
Ibaratnya gua aja sendiri main kalau udah kayak gini sob. Alucard main iku aja jeren. Ayolah payah dan dapat jauh.
Heroes never fade!
Unstoppable.
Nyampah gua. Ambil buff dulu.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Mantap. Itu baru tim tuh.
It would take an army to stop me.
Monster kill. An enemy has been slain.
Heroes never fade!
Gua defend, gua nyerang. Bagus.
Only the
Gua
fearless
defend, gua yang nyerang.
can soar to the heavens.
Tim hebat.
It would take an army to stop me.
Shut down.
Alucard masih level 8 sob.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Launch attack.
Heroes never fade!
An enemy has been slain.
Yudora tuh ngeri kali ya. Ngeri itu Yudora tuh. Gua nambah ongok dulu lah.
Your insolence does not be tolerated.
An ally has been slain. Godlike.
Heroes never fade!
An ally has been slain. Shut down. Killing spree. Shut down.
Mampus
Enemy
gua
double
sob.
kill. Enemy
Gua
triple
sob
kill.
mampus. Ya udah, teman gua pada bego semuanya. Alucard AFK. Bego. Hancur nih tower kalau udah kayak gini. Oh. Alucard.
enemy has slain the turtle. Our turret is under attack.
Heroes never fade! Your impudence cannot be tolerated.
Jadi umpan mati aja
An
Hikaru
ally
juga
has
dapat.
been slain. Enemy double kill.
Oi, kawan-kawan.
Take an army to
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Kalau mau
Our
diikut
inhibitor
caranya
turret is
payah
under
katanya kan
attack.
orang.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been
Tidak.
slain. Shut down. Double kill. Our inhibitor turret is under
Iya,
attack.
cyber.
An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Dah lah, payah kan. Tapi molok ni kau payah kan. Aku monang ni kau dah. Dah lah. Badai ada orang
take an
betul.
army to stop me.
Main Mobile Legends nak ngeroti dan main je. Kalah dia. Oh, lah BFK sa kawanan sa doang itu.
It's sword of the heavens. Your whole body is
Pandai tu
a
datang.
spot.
Pantai dia.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Heroes never fade!
Mega kill. An enemy has been slain.
Dia ni jangan bunuh sa doang ni. Anjing. Tim anjing ni gua nama. Mapo santiang na kalian.
Your impudence will not be tolerated.
You destroyed a turret.
Heroes
An enemy has been slain. An ally initiate retreat. Enemy double kill.
Anjing. Bertiga situ kalah cik Dek Laila ni. Ikut.
An
Tahu
ally
gua kalau
has
main
been
kayak itu tu.
slain.
Pada bodoh semuanya AFK anjing. Kalau enggak
Our
bagus semua
turret
usah
has
main
been
ini anjing.
destroyed.
Ini yang kita plan aja,
Our
enggak
base
usah
is
game
under
online.
attack.
Udah kayak tai semua.
Turtle resurrecting soon.
Anjir. Dah lah. Saya. AFK ya le.
weak spot. Heroes never fade! It would take an army to stop me.
You have slain an enemy.
Dia ni lah usaha surang lah tim. Dia ni lah usaha surang.
Initiate retreat. The enemy has slain Lord.
Only the
You have slain an enemy.
Farming dulu dah.
your impudence will not be tolerated. Heroes never fade! Your whole body is a weak spot.
Shut down. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Wah, perhatian lagi lah
Launch
nah.
attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Dahnya.
It would take an army to stop me.
Yun,
An
dahnya.
ally has been slain.
Dia ni juga nombor tahu surang. Dia anjing tu.
Launch attack.
Ada yang mau attack. Pada apa ang mau attack?
Heroes never
An enemy has been slain. Mega kill. Wiped out.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Payah. minion tuh, itu nyoba main farming udah putah di situ aja. Tuan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Lebih mati belum? Oh lah, lebih mati belum? Mati dan nak kalah je. Tengok lagi nak.
Launch attack.
Entah.
An ally has been slain.
Kok jangan sama-sama dia tu nya banyak kok. Kan bisa seorang bunuh minion dah.
An army to stop me.
Dia sulit ya. Berjalan dah.
Only the fear.
An ally has been slain.
Heroes never
Unstoppable.
Đâu tiêu dan tu tu.
not be tolerated.
An enemy has been slain. Monster kill.
It would take an army.
Double kill. An ally has been slain.
Sulit kawan-kawan dah kayak ini sulit.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Alucard. Ya lunak hati gua main kayak ini kok.
Take an army to stop me.
An ally has been
Ini
slain.
parahnya yang gua hadapin. Ini parahnya yang gua hadapin. Sedih hidup gua.
Not be tolerated.
Lord resurrecting
Only
soon.
the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Shut
Dia
down.
mati gua jadinya.
Enemy double kill. An ally has been slain.
Ya lah, sudah kalah. Kalau gua udah mati kalah. Gua jamin. Kalau gua udah mati kalah. Ini ya lah. Nah,
An ally has been slain. Our base is under attack.
ya udah kalah tuh. Gua bilang yang main. Udah kalah tuh. Udah kayak anjing tuh. Aduh, ya udah, muncul aja belum legend gua. Kalau udah legend nih malu-maluin aja kayak gini. Report semuanya. Ini jatuh FK. Kalian sedoi. Jadi report kalian. Guys, udah dulu videonya. Ntar kelamaan gua jadi emosi lagi. Ya udah, jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe channel ini. See you next video.